Welcome to Sailing Mokara. I'm Sean.
And I'm Claire.
Hi, I'm Nathan and I'm 9 years old.
Hello, my name's Dylan and I'm 12 years old and I love sailing.
A few years ago, we decided we wanted a different kind of life.
So we sold our house and most of our things, said our goodbyes to loved ones and headed off together to explore and see the world.
We brought a sailing boat which we named Mokara.
So here she is in her natural habitat. Fast enough for us. Got 2 bikes. Fast dinghy. Enough fenders. Lagoon 400 S2. 2 mast. Nice big dinghy. Fishing rods. And yeah, there she is.
So far, we've cruised the Mediterranean.
We've experienced some great sailing and visited some ancient ruins.
Find your way. 'Cause every day is a new day. And everything's going your way. And you wanna make it last forever. We'll keep it together 'cause it keeps getting better.
We sailed across the Atlantic Ocean with the Ark Rally.
Feel the sun upon your shoulders.
We've enjoyed catching our own food.
Looks like my Dorado is going to good use.
Yummy!
So here we are, due to arrive in St. Lucia in a few hours' time. 2 boys are getting into the Caribbean spirit.
Arriving on new shores, ready to explore the Caribbean.
How's it going? Dinghy. Yeah.
And everything's going your way.
We've seen some amazing places.
And met the most incredible like-minded people.
As we leave beautiful Bequia, sight of a wreck there on that second little island.
And you wanna make it last forever. Just keep it together, 'cause it keeps getting better. Hey, it keeps getting better.
We've already had so many school trips to museums and volcanoes.
And we've arrived at Dominica, which is on our starboard side. And there it is, Nathan's hoisting the Dominican flag, 15, 16 knots, and we've had a cracking sail. Much better than we expected.
And the world is waiting. Move along to the song, singing in your soul. Feel the beat, clap your hands, let it take control. All you need, all you want, are you ready to find your way? And you wanna make it last forever. We'll keep it together 'cause it keeps getting better. Whoa, oh, right through life and move ahead to your destination. Shine so bright.
Now, we want to give something back to our oceans and try help raise awareness of how the plastics we use every day is ruining our beautiful underwater world.
So we've signed up to become ambassadors of a charity called 5 Gyres.
We'll also be raising funds for the charity by designing and selling ocean-themed merchandise through our website.
So make sure you subscribe to our channel and like our videos.
And buy something from our store.
Together we can see the world and help make a difference.